Hi, this is Paul Kapustka from Mobile Enterprise 360. Today we're going to talk about BYOD and its new companion, something called COPE. Now everybody pretty much knows about BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device. It's where people use their own personal mobile devices to get work done. It's an interesting phenomenon. It's taken off in the workplace. However, it has run into some backlash recently, and it mainly has to do with issues of privacy. If you've been following the discussion on the Mobile Enterprise 360 site, we have a pretty heated debate going about whether or not BYOD could be a job requirement, and most of the debate revolves around people uncomfortable with the fact that companies may want to tightly manage or wipe information from what is a personal device. So, how do you get around this problem of sensitive company data being on a device that you bought yourself? Something new has emerged, and this thing is called COPE. You may have heard of this. That acronym stands for Company Owned, Personally Enabled. Basically what this is companies are buying mobile devices like tablets or smartphones, issuing them to employees and saying, go ahead, put whatever apps you want on it, use the approved services in the cloud, but we retain the right to manage it and to administer to it. And I think this is a good idea. I think COPE could take off a lot more quickly if device prices keep falling and more cloud services are enabled, because that sort of reduces one of the reasons to move to BYOD, which is upfront costs. However, I don't think we're going to see that happen quite so quickly. So for the next few years, you're going to see a mix. I think there will be BYOD allowed for simple communications, things like emails, and then as more employees need to use sensitive data, they'll be pushed into a COPE direction to use a device or a tablet that the company has better control over. It's not a perfect solution, but I think it's a solution that we can all cope with for the time being. This is Paul Kapustka for Mobile Enterprise 360. Thanks for listening.